In this video, I will show you how to get the uses limit and token bar in Claude Code step by step. So let's get started. I am on the Claude interface, and right now to get the status bar and token uses here directly on your Claude or Claude Code, you can use different types of extension. Here you can see Claude uses extension. You can use this extension from this GitHub repository, or you can also use Claude Counter. So this is so popular. You can see already 2.3k star is getting this repository, and using this, actually, you can get the token count, cache timer, and uses bar on Cloud AI. Okay, so this is very simple to install it, and here is this step by step way how you can do that. At first, for the Chrome Edge or Chromium, you can simply download this zip file. So you can simply click here, and then you will save it on your device. You can see it's downloaded. Now, what you will do, you will have to go to Chrome extension. Okay, so let me go to extensions, manage extensions, and here you will have to just toggle this developer mode. We will simply toggle this, and now update. Here you can see load unpacked. You will click here, and now you will have to unzip this Claude Counter zip folder. I will do it. So let me unzip it. And now you can see this is the folder. You will have to upload this folder. So let me choose this and select. Now you can see Claude Counter is here. Okay. If you back here and reload your Claude.ai, and you can see already it's showing the status bar for the token uses, sessions, and other stuff. Let me try to chat with Claude AI and see how it's actually working. I will just simply prompt this and now hit it. And see it's generating answer, and you can see the token uses status directly here, and reset time and weekly uses is also showing here. Okay, this session consumes 11% and resets in 4 hour 57 minutes later.